Welcome back, 2 Bites with Chef Chopra. Hope you all enjoyed chicken tikka masala calzone last week, and we have a new item today. It is called spicy ravioli parmesan. So it's on a linguine. So a linguine with the spicy ravioli, it's a cheese, but you have a choice if you can make with the meat ravioli or cheese ravioli. Parmesan goes with Parmesan cheese on it. So let's look at the ingredients together. Our main ingredients: cheese ravioli. You can do actually a meat if you want. We're using a linguine, but you can use any pasta, capellini, penne, whatever you like. My ginger, garlic, onion, tomato sauce. Then I have a pure tomato sauce here. My tandoori masala, oregano, black pepper, Parmesan cheese, fenugreek, herb, cilantro, onion, and pepper flakes. Now let's start it. Very little oil we use on that. Let's turn the oven on. Very little oil. Let this heat up a little bit. And by the way, when you're cooking those pasta, make sure they are al dente or a little lower, because it's going to be cooking in the sauce as well. Just add some. Oh yeah, love that noise. Love it. Add some ginger, garlic, onion paste. Let that work for a little bit. A little bit of oregano, black pepper, my tandoori masala, fenugreek seed, herb, some of my pepper flakes. There's already salt in the sauce, so salt to the taste. So don't put too much. All that getting done. So I already have drained this pasta. Just put the pasta in here. Work the pasta. I like to add a little bit more of tomato sauce to it. Just a little bit, not too much. At this time, you can actually add your pre-blanched raviolis right into it. I usually add a little bit of cilantro into it, give them a nice color and flavor to it. This thing cooked really well. This you know, if you have everything pasta and ravioli prepped already, it will take about 4 to 5 minutes to make. Otherwise, if you're not, it takes total prep time is about 6 to 7 minutes. This is pretty much done. Nice saucy. Turn that off. Time to plate this thing. Just thing to do it, just twirl this whole, get all the pasta in the middle. Oh yeah. You're more than welcome to add some tomatoes or more fresh onion to it if you want, but I prefer it this way. Just take some of your, now it's time to get some raviolis in. All your raviolis. Wow. This looking good, nice and spicy. I can smell the spice. All the spices in there, and just a little bit of that in there. Get some lots of Parmesan cheese actually. Some cilantro. Some more Parmesan cheese. And here it is. Your spicy ravioli Parmesan. Thank you again. Thank you for joining us. You know where you get me from? Get at me at I2I Indian Italian Fusion Restaurant, 406 Main Street, Boonton. And we should have our Mother's Day menu done by no later than tomorrow, or maybe Saturday over the weekend. We'll have it out. And look out, we got great stuff coming out for you. Thank you. Ciao.